Focus, focus, focus. Hello. Hi. Yay! Finally got it. There it is. Hi, I will be studying abroad, Swansea, Wales, for 5 months. So from February to mid-June, although I have like till the 30th or 28th in my lease where I'm staying, so I can stay longer if I feel like. It depends if I have money. If I have any money left. So yeah, I am going for 5 months, and that means that I am not packing light. I've traveled before, but I've never actually traveled like long flight, and I've never had to pack for 5 months. So I am thinking of all the essentials that I think I might need. So I will go first through my purse, then I will go through my backpack back there, and then I'll take you through my carry-on and then my check-in. I bought this from Ross because what I was looking for, especially for traveling, was compartments, different compartments. So this one has a zipper here, it has a pocket here, and the main compartment, and then the back. Inside it has a little pocket in there, and then it has the zipper. So the very first pocket, I have a pencil, a black pen, my white pen, and my black marker. This is just an extra because I might have to fill out stuff. Tissues. I've been having really bad allergies lately. I don't know if you can see it now, but around my nose is very red. So I hope it doesn't happen during my flight. But if it does, I have some tissues here. So it just fits right in there. And bam, close. The next section is the pocket. So I'm taking this, and that's either for the airport, for the flight, whenever I feel like using it. And I have my coffee packet, and I bought, I think it came in like 6 packs for 88 cents at Walmart. So I got that. If I don't use it during the plane, it's fine because I'm gonna use it when I get to my place. That's Swansea. Okay, so I have 2 little packets of emergency. Let me start by saying that I don't use emergency, but I've watched so many videos on what I should pack, and again, I haven't done like long flight. I've done maybe the most 2.5, maybe 3. So I haven't done like a 9-hour flight. Most of the videos say to take some emergency just in case you feel like you're getting sick. I'm not really sure. I bought it, I tried it, it's not bad, it actually tastes pretty good. I don't really feel a difference, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm super scared of getting sick over there. I'm so scared because I don't know, I'm just not familiar with anything over there. I'm just afraid of how I'm gonna react. But I'm taking 2. I'm also gonna take an empty water bottle so I can fill it up and use it for these. So then I will have my fast charger. All right, the next section is the main compartment. I have my eye drops, my black headphones, and in that little pocket, that's it. The next section is the main compartment. I have the UK adapter. I actually have more of these. I have this adapter. I bought 2 universal adapters. So I have this one in my purse. I have one in my backpack, and then I have one in my carry-on. And I also watched in a video that sometimes because they're big, they don't really stay on the wall. I guess because they're heavy, they kind of like flop out. And I have also watched in different videos that some of them don't really fit because they're big and they don't really fit everywhere. Like especially if there's like a circle outlet, it just won't fit. I wanted to be safe, so I just got the mini one. And then I also have those just as backup, and I also want to travel on there, so I got the universal ones for that too. Okay, so next, it's a travel deodorant. I'm gonna be there for 9 hours, and when I land, I'm probably gonna be smelly. I don't really know, but I just want to refresh. So I do have gum. Lotion is super important for me. My hands get very dry. I'm not taking this big bottle because it's a very big bottle. It's 29 fluid ounces. but I did put it in travel bottles. So I have my little travel lotion. And yes, this is a Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. And then I do have a hand sanitizer, and this is the one I have right now. Next is perfume. I ordered these from eBay. It's just an atomizer, and you unscrew it, refill it, then you just put it back. And there. Next, my passport. I was freaking out that I was gonna get my passport on time, my visa, and I'm so happy that I got it. So, passport, that's super important. Then I have my ID. I honestly don't think I need my ID, but when I arrive at the airport, I have to show my documents. I took it just in case I need it. And then I have my sunglasses in here. I have the simple baggy a wipe. I bought these at Walmart. Cleansing wipes. So we're gonna talk now about the zipper. I have one pad, one wipe, a liner, and a tampon. Continuing with the whole menstrual cycle. I have chamomile tea bags. I have my pill container here. It has some Advil, and it has Tylenol, and it has melatonin in there. I was telling you guys that I've been getting allergies lately, so I do always try to have Zyrtec in my purse. So I have one. I have 2 pairs of Band-Aids, alcohol pads. I have 2 hair ties, and then I have 10 bobby pins and 15 clear rubber bands. And then I have my little clip. Days like this, when I'm so annoyed with my hair, I like just being able to clip it back. So that's what I have in the inside zipper. What I have in the last zipper, I have my ID, I have my cards, 1 debit card, and then 2 credit cards, Capital One, and with the Capital Ones, they don't charge an international fee. I requested foreign currency, so I requested pounds through the website, Bank of America website, and they got them, and they're so adorable. Oh my goodness, adorable! I want to frame them. I didn't get too much, so like maybe 330 US dollars, and that translates to like 250 pounds. That is it for my purse. Now, let's talk about the backpack. So this is my backpack. It's that brand right there. Has 2 zippers here. It has a little pocket here, which honestly I don't see myself using it. It has for the water bottles. Another one here, and then I actually like how it opens because I also want to do some weekend travels, and I feel like this is gonna be a good backpack for that. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you know. It has the place for the laptop, and then it has a pocket, and then the main compartment, and then it has 2 little pockets right here. And there's another one here, and then it has a zipper in there. So I really like it. I actually started with these 2 little zipper pockets right here. What I have in this one here, I have tissues, then I have an eye mask. I usually don't use an eye mask because I'm a heavy sleeper and I can sleep right now. Daylight, it doesn't bother me. It actually comes with an eye mask, like you can put it in the fridge. Or if your eyes are puffy, you can puff them. But that's what I have because I am hoping to sleep in the airplane. I have another little bottle of travel lotion, with Bluetooth headphones, and earplugs. Sorry, closing that one. Let's talk about this zipper right here. So what that zipper holds is actually food. This is instant oatmeal. If I get hungry on the plane, I'll just ask for hot water, and I will just make this. I have 2 more tea bags. I have another kind bar, and the same with the coffee. That's really what I have there. Okay, so next in this water bottle pocket, I have my umbrella. This side, I have an empty water bottle, and this is so that I can refill it at the airport. Honey sticks. I got it mostly because if I'm coughing, I want to have something to help my throat. What's gonna go in here, laptop, my planner, my mini tripod. So in this pocket right here, I have an icy hot patch. I have the external battery, and that's it for that little pocket right there. Main compartment, it's actually gonna have my laptop charger, so it will go in the very bottom. This is gonna sit down here. This adapter here, it does have for USA, Australia, UK, and then Europe. So when I get there, I'm going to connect that to the wall, and then I can connect this. And I did check most of my electronics, and most of them are dual voltage, which I will show you. Actually, I can show you here. Where it says input and it says 100 to 40 voltage. Okay, and what I have on my list is this charger. I was taking this because I still had my S6, but it stopped working. I was gonna use this one to make calls to my family and whatnot. So, yeah. The good thing is that T-Mobile has a temporary unlock, so I'm gonna do that every month. I'm still gonna take this. Then I actually am gonna have my skincare bag and my makeup bag. So I'm taking a pair of fluffy socks in my backpack. I'm also taking one in my carry-on, but it's seriously just this. My black gloves, and they're gonna fit wherever you fit. Then I have my travel documents. So basically whatever they ask for to get my visa approved, that's what's in here. So in the pockets, charger for my camera, I have the phone clip, which I am using at the moment. My little selfie light has 9 settings. There's that. The warm settings. The really cool or natural settings. But I really like it. I did buy it specifically for filming. So not so much for taking pictures of myself, but mostly for filming. So on this side, I have a camera. I have some SD cards, and then a USB flash drive, and the zipper. I was gonna put my S6 right in there. Anyway, so that's what's in here. I still have a lot to do. It's Sunday. I technically only have tomorrow left to finish packing. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this video. Actually, let me know if you guys have any questions, because I want to answer as much as I possibly can. But that's all I have. I will see you in my next video, which will be my carry-on. Thank you for watching.